Hey y'all, it is your favorite nerdy girl here, Nerdy Girl Reviews, and we're back with another product review. Again, I'm still debating on the title, is it worth the buck or product review, but nonetheless, I've done a handful of these, and believe it or not, some of these, not so expensive items have really turned out to be worth the buck. So, I'm not doing this video in my usual setting because my background is under construction, so I don't want to reveal too much because it's not really done. But I thought I'd share with you guys my wardrobe and makeup and my lovely nails, which I did not make mention before, or maybe I did showcase them at one of my hauls, but the packaging, you can see the nails I'm wearing, and there's actually still more. This is Pretty Woman Faux Nails, brings 24 in a case. As you can see, it's $5 from 5 and below. So worth it. And it comes with nail glue that works like, you just, again, like every normal nail glue, you have to hold it down for a couple of seconds to make secure the nail. So worth it. This pattern, I can't tell you how many compliments I've already gotten from it. So I am not disappointed with 5 and below, to be perfectly honest. And I may go back, aside from the gadgets that I've bought recently, I might go back for maybe some holiday nails. I still don't know necessarily what I'm wearing, so that's why. And they already are pushing out new products for the holidays, but I didn't see anything that was like eye-catching like these nails. I mean, I can't tell you, I've worn this for a week and they're still in good condition, and I can't tell you how many compliments I've gotten. So worth this brand is really, and I hate saying it, but I kind of prefer them better than I did LA Colors. LA Colors was, I don't know, for me, they were just a little too sharp, but that's my interpretation. Maybe other people who have bought the brand are fine with it. I think these are, perhaps because they are filed down to like almost a rounded tip, that they're pointy but rounded. But again, I haven't had any issues, and yeah, I think they can be easily removed. I think past the week, I think I might take them off, but I've been very pleased. So, and this really nice sombrero, full like sombrero, I think, looks very nice and chic. And who can tell me that this is from 5 and below? It's very nice suede, and it comes in tan and black. So I've reviewed these products and highly suggest you getting them, especially, if you're in the whole fall aesthetic, pumpkin spice, everything. You're doing some window shopping with your girls, or just going on a Sunday brunch, which that's where I'm coming from. This is ideal. It looks really nice and chic. I've already reviewed the Aconic light bulb, puck light, worth the $5. Now, we're going to move into the Smart Vlogging Kit, which includes pistol, tripod, shotgun, microphones. What is with these titles, though? Like, really? Universal phone mount, 36 bulb LED light, and reading, going back based on their packaging in the back, they suggest to have 2 AA batteries, alkaline batteries. So let's open this bad boy up and let's see if it was really worth the $5. No, I'm sorry. This is their $10 markup, because they do have a few items that are a little above $5. So stay tuned, y'all. So I've opened the packaging. It has 3 stickers. I will say it's a little on the rough side for me to open, but in opening it, I discover, maybe I just didn't read the packaging correctly. It is by Aconic too. This is, I believe, their instruction manuals on how to set up the tripod and whatnot, and the lighting. And this is the packaging that comes in the package. So let's see if we can put this together. Let's see. Okay, I've placed 2 AA batteries, and this is the light portion of it. There's an on and off switch in the back, so let's hit that. I won't put it towards the camera because it's a little, but it's intense. Whoa. But unlike other things that I've bought at 5 and below, which is a little too bright, there's a dimmer. There's a dimmer so you can lower the intensity. Not by much, but okay, we'll see if this reads well on camera. I was really interested because of this, and I was interested in their microphone. So I'll see if this all comes together. But yeah, look, you can make it intense or a little on the softer side. Not bad. This is a good portion to this, and the off switch right there. And now we're back. I'm not gonna lie, did try to follow the instructions as best as I could. They were a little complicated. They were, for me, they were, sorry. But I think I got it going, at least as a hand portable thing. It has for a tripod, which you can stand. I think you would have to flip, like, what do they call it here? Universal phone mount. So I would have to flip this if I wanted to do like their tripod version of it. So if I'm doing my video vlogs as normal, I can stand this up while I'm recording, and then I have my light and my mic on. Just want to show you the alternative. So this is the, you know, handheld version of it. If I'm out in the street or something, or I'm interviewing someone, I can do it, and I'm on some red carpet by chance. Yeah, that's my portable version. And this would be like the tripod version of it. It has these little 2 legs. But again, like I said, I would have to reverse the mount so I can keep that sitting nicely. Right now I have still the handheld version. Let's try with light for a sec so you can see the whole thing. So you can see now with the light, it does kind of give me a lot of nice light. I don't know now how it would read on camera because it's kind of giving me a blurry thing. I don't know if it's my camera. Weird. So we'll try that out with another setting. And then it has the little mic. And the mic is supposed to connect to my cell phone. So, let's see if I can record audio. It does give me good light, but I don't know what those little lines, am I seeing it? I don't know. Hold on a sec.